When creating applications, user-friendly date and time displays are extremely important. Often, showing exact timestamps, like this one you see here, can be confusing and unhelpful to the end user. Users prefer more intuitive, easy-to-understand descriptions like 2 hours ago or 5 minutes ago. Let's look at how we can turn this confusing timestamp into a clearer, relative time phrase using C#. Currently, our program shows the exact date and time when a message was posted. This isn't very user-friendly, especially for social media apps or forums. Here's how we can make this better. We'll add a simple method that calculates the relative time and displays it in a human-readable way. This method calculates how long ago something happened based on the current time. When we run this updated code, our console now displays something much more intuitive, like 2 hours ago, which instantly makes sense to the user. Now you've learned an easy way to improve user experience by showing relative times instead of confusing timestamps.